Hey, welcome back to the horrible wheel. And what are we going to get today? Whose idea was this anyway? All right. I need a shot. I need a shot to get up the courage. Oh, because there's a couple on there. Well, I don't know, man. That's good. All right, I'm ready. Let's spin it. Come on, baby! Come on, spin again. No. Oh, a cement mixer. I can't tell you how many I've made in my lifetime. Quite a few, actually. And isn't that one of your favorite drinks, Aaron? Okay. Yeah, that shot was good. Let's do a cement mixer. Yum. Bailey's, that's what it needs. And I got some in my fridge here, and whenever you have a bottle of Bailey's, you want to keep it in your fridge because even though there's preservatives in it, it will go a little sour. Hey, we're not gonna make it today because I can't get the goddamn lid off. There it is. Okay. All right, 1.5 ounces of Bailey's Irish Cream. Sounds good so far, eh? There we go. And fresh pressed lime juice. And you know what's gonna happen. Cream and lime, well, it's gonna curdle. And we want about 1/2 ounce here of fresh pressed lime juice. Oh yeah, Curdle City. Oh my God, look at this thing, look at this thing. And it's going everywhere. Oh, there it is. The cement mixer. Oh, wait. I can't down a cement mixer without my construction hat. Okay. The reason they call it a cement mixer is because when you down this, you don't just down it. You kind of swish it in your mouth, right? And it feels like cement in your mouth. Not that I know what cement tastes like. All right. Cement mixer! Oh, shit, man. Wow. The taste is okay, it's the texture. It's curdling in my mouth, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna go deconstruct something and I'll see you next time, okay? Cheers. That wasn't fun. Thanks for watching. Check out some more BarTalk&Cocktails. See you next time.